In today's tutorial, I will show you, step by step, how to export your videos using more than one method in DaVinci Resolve. Hey everyone! Our tutorial guide today through two robust export methods in DaVinci Resolve. So, hit subscribe or follow for more in-depth tutorials, and let's dive into the first method. After opening your project in the Edit tab, you will find Quick Export in the top menu bar and click on it. A window pop-up will appear. You can select any of these options, and you will see export details here. If you want to export directly to your YouTube channel, just click Sign In. Otherwise, click the Export button to save the file to your computer. Then choose where you want to export your video and click the Save button. The export process will begin. After finishing the export, you'll find your video in the folder you selected. This covers the Quick Export method. Now, let's move on to the second, more advanced export method. Let's navigate to the Deliver tab by clicking on the Deliver icon here. We'll see Render Settings on the left. In the top left, you'll notice several render option settings, including social media presets such as YouTube. Once you select the appropriate option, click on the icon to choose your video's dimensions, or adjust them using the resolution settings. If your video is vertical, enable this option. If it's not, keep it unchecked. And the frame rate is already set based on your timeline project settings. And change the video codec and adjust any other settings as needed. Then click on Add to Render Queue. Alternatively, if you prefer even more advanced export options, select Custom Export. You can enter your video name here and select your video format from the drop-down menu. Change the video codec as required. You can choose your video's dimensions using the resolution drop-down menu, and the frame rate is already set based on your timeline project's settings. If your video is vertical, enable this option. If it's not, keep it unchecked. You can adjust the video quality to your preference. If your video has subtitles, click on Subtitle Settings, enable Export Subtitle, and then, in the Format drop-down menu, select Burn into Video to ensure your subtitles appear directly on the video. And for the video audio, click on Audio. You can enable or disable the audio, change the audio codec, and adjust the audio bit rate strategy to your preference. You can also reduce or enhance the audio quality by setting a higher bitrate. Next, click on Add to Render Queue, or click Browse to choose where you want to save your video, and then click the Save button to set your folder path. Once that's done, click on Add to Render Queue to add the job. Now, in the Render Queue, click Render All to start the export process. Once the export is finished, right-click on your exported video and select Reveal in Finder to navigate to the folder where your video is saved. Alternatively, you can manually navigate to the folder where your video is located. This first version was exported using Quick Export. This second version was exported using the Deliver tab. That's it for today's tutorial. We covered two methods for exporting your videos from DaVinci Resolve. First, the Quick Export method, which allows you to quickly save your project with minimal fuss. Second, the Advanced Export method using the Deliver tab, which gives you full control over your video dimensions, codec, audio settings, and more. Both methods have their benefits, so choose the one that best fits your workflow. Stay tuned for more advanced tips and tricks that will transform your editing process in DaVinci Resolve. Hit subscribe or follow for more in-depth tutorials.